Picture this. Two individuals, madly in love, yet their relationship is on the brink of falling apart. Can you guess why? It's due to lack of effective communication. That's right, folks. Communication, or the lack thereof, can make or break a relationship. Let's put a spotlight on a couple we'll call Sarah and John. They were head over heels for each other, but their relationship was like a ship lost in a storm, ready to sink any minute. The culprit, you guessed it, ineffective communication. John, an extrovert, loved to talk and share his thoughts. Sarah, on the other hand, was an introvert who preferred to listen and process thoughts before speaking. Their different communication styles led to misunderstandings, causing repeated arguments. They felt unheard, unloved, and disconnected. But then, things changed dramatically. They decided to work on their communication, to really listen to each other, and to understand before being understood. They began having deep and meaningful conversations. John learned to give Sarah the space to process her thoughts, and Sarah made an effort to express her feelings more vocally. They learned to resolve conflicts in a way that respected each other's feelings and perspectives, rather than just seeking to win an argument. Guess what happened next? The storm calmed, and their relationship ship sailed smoothly. Their love deepened, and they felt more connected than ever before. This story of Sarah and John is a testament to the power of effective communication in relationships. It highlights the importance of active listening, a skill that involves fully focusing, understanding, responding, and then remembering what is being said. It emphasizes the need for deep, meaningful conversations that go beyond the surface level. And it underscores the significance of conflict resolution skills, which involve addressing issues head-on, with respect and understanding, rather than sweeping them under the rug. Remember, communication is not just about talking, it's about understanding and being understood. So let's journey together in the next scenes to delve deeper into the art and science of communication. Let's learn how we can say it right and make our relationships stronger and more fulfilling. Just as we all have unique fingerprints, our communication styles are unique too. Understanding your partner's communication style is crucial in a relationship. Each of us communicates in a unique way. Some of us are direct and to the point, while others prefer to weave a narrative around their thoughts. Some people are expressive and animated, while others are more reserved and introspective. Imagine a scenario where one partner is a direct communicator, preferring to get straight to the point, while the other is a narrative communicator, who prefers to tell a story. The direct communicator might feel frustrated, thinking their partner is beating around the bush, while the narrative communicator might feel misunderstood, thinking their partner is too abrupt. Understanding these communication styles can help both partners appreciate each other's perspectives and find a common ground. Another style to consider is the emotive style, where feelings are expressed openly and passionately. Contrast this with the reflective style, where feelings are processed internally and responses are thoughtful and measured. An emotive communicator might see a reflective communicator as cold or distant, while the reflective communicator might see the emotive one as overbearing or dramatic. Understanding these differences can help each partner accommodate the other's style, leading to more effective communication. Then, there are those who are assertive, standing their ground and expressing their thoughts freely, and those who are more amenable, preferring to keep the peace and avoid conflict. The assertive communicator may come off as aggressive to the amenable communicator, while the amenable communicator may seem too passive to the assertive communicator. Recognizing these styles can help each partner adjust their approach, creating a more balanced and respectful dialogue. So, how can we bridge these communication gaps? The key is empathy. Try to step into your partner's shoes and see the world from their perspective. Be patient, be open, and be willing to adapt your communication style to meet theirs halfway. Paying attention to your partner's preferred communication cues can transform your relationship. Did you know we all share 6 fundamental human needs? Understanding these can enhance communication in relationships. Let's dive into these needs one by one. First, we have certainty. This is the need for stability, predictability, and comfort. We all crave a degree of safety and assurance in our lives, and this holds true in our relationships as well. Providing certainty to your partner can be as simple as being reliable and consistent in your actions. Next is variety. As much as we crave certainty, we also need change and excitement to keep us stimulated. Balancing certainty with variety in a relationship can be a delicate dance, but it's necessary to keep the spark alive. The third need is significance. We all want to feel important, unique, and special. Acknowledging your partner's accomplishments, listening to their concerns, and showing appreciation can fulfill this need for significance. Our fourth need is love and connection. We are social creatures and crave emotional bonds with others. In a relationship, this need can be met through shared experiences, emotional intimacy, and expressions of love. The fifth need is growth. Just as a tree needs to grow to survive, so do we in our personal and emotional lives. In a relationship, growth can be achieved through learning from each other, overcoming challenges together, and striving to be better partners. Lastly, we have contribution. This is the desire to give, to help, and to make a difference. In a relationship, this could mean supporting your partner in their goals, contributing to shared dreams, or simply being there for them in times of need. By understanding these 6 fundamental human needs, we can better communicate with our partners. We can express our needs clearly and listen to our partner's needs with empathy. This not only improves communication but also strengthens the bond between partners. When you understand and fulfill your partner's fundamental needs, you create a strong bond that is hard to break. Knowing the importance of communication, understanding different styles, and meeting the fundamental needs is great. But how do you put it all together in your relationship? Let's start by acknowledging that every conversation is an opportunity for connection. So, instead of just passing information, make it a chance to understand each other better. For instance, if your partner loves quality time, a simple conversation about how their day went can be a chance for you to show your interest and care. Next, be conscious of your partner's preferred communication style. If they are more of a visual person, they might appreciate it if you paint a picture with your words. On the other hand, if they are auditory, they might prefer a direct conversation. So, adapt your communication style to match theirs. It's like learning a new language for the person you love. As for meeting the fundamental needs, remember that it's not a one-time thing, but a continuous process. The needs of certainty, variety, significance, love and connection, growth and contribution are always in play. So check in with your partner and ask them how they are feeling in regards to these needs. It could be as simple as saying, "Do you feel loved and valued in our relationship?" or "Do you feel like we're growing together?" But remember, communication is not just about talking. It's equally about listening. Active listening involves giving your full attention, showing empathy, and responding in a way that shows you understand. So when your partner talks about their day, listen with the intent to understand, not to reply. And lastly, be patient with yourself and with your partner. It takes time to change how you communicate and understand each other better. You might stumble along the way, but it's all part of the journey. Effective communication in a relationship is not a destination, it's a journey, a constant work in progress. Communication in relationships is like oxygen to life. Without it, love dies. With it, love thrives. As we've journeyed together in this video, we've seen the undeniable power of communication. We've navigated different communication styles and how recognizing and respecting them can bridge gaps. We've delved into the 6 fundamental human needs and how understanding and fulfilling these needs can enhance our interactions and connections. Remember, a meaningful conversation, active listening, and conflict resolution skills are not just about talking, but about understanding. It's about looking at the world from your partner's perspective, valuing their emotions and experiences. It's about creating a safe space where love and understanding flourish. Let's put these insights into action. Let's breathe life into our relationships with the power of authentic communication. And remember, the journey doesn't stop here. There's always more to learn, to understand, to explore. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to watch the next video on the screen to continue this journey of improving your relationship.